Hey guys, welcome aboard. It's Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of a 2019 Sea Ray 290 SDX Outboard. I'm going to start in this transom. Look at this huge sun pad bed here. Cup holders. Look at a large oversized swim platform. And you have outboards. Yeah, I have all this walk space to go through. Going through the transom. This boat is equipped with a barbecue grill, which is electric and runs off an inverter, has a freshwater sink, as well as a 12-volt refrigerator. Well, let's do a pan out here and take a look at all this seating that this boat has. Simrad 9-inch screen with GPS, joystick piloting for outboards. Looking forward, you can see that it has a ton of seating. This one also has a vacuum flush toilet head upgrade, and as well as carpeting for all the floors. We also equipped this boat with the anchor windlass. Make it easy for you guys to spend the day at the sandbar. Don't have to fight with the anchor, just push a button and it goes up and down. Hey guys, thanks for taking this little tour on 2019 Sea Ray 290 SDX Outboard. It's here in MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm Justin Costello, 954-633-2070.